Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about some products that I have in my collection that are not really my taste right now. They are not fails, they are not favorites, they are something in the middle. Some of them are really great, incredible formulas, but they are not matching the vibes right now. So should I declutter these? That is the question that I'm trying to find an answer for. Let's start with this one. It is the Sephora Matte Powder Foundation. Why did I purchase this one is the real question, because I don't use powder foundations. They are not for me usually. Usually I'm not even interested in them, but I was like, I would like to test a foundation. This is just a powder and it is a okay powder, and it is too dark for me to use all over the face. I do have it on my skin today and it doesn't cover anything. I don't think I will declutter this particular product because it is okay as a bronzer, and I am sure that in the colder months I will use it as a bronzer, but it was kind of a waste of money. I didn't need it, and yeah, sometimes I'm just purchasing products for the sake of testing them, and it's not the greatest of ideas. Similar to that, I purchased this one. This is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, and again, do I like brightening powders? No. I find them in general pretty, I don't want to say useless, because not all products are for everybody, but in general all products have a purpose, but a brightening powder is so useless in my eyes for me. So if you like that, sure, but this one is not setting anything into place. Yes, it is a brightening powder, but it's just, I don't need it really. I will use it just to blend the edges of blush or something like that, so like a finishing powder or something like that, but it's just an unnecessary step. So even though this is affordable, I really didn't need it, and it is not matching my taste at all. For brows, I have two products. This one is pretty old. It is the MAC, I don't even know how it is called, Veluxe brow or something. The writing is off. It is pretty old, and this is just too pigmented and too stiff right now to dry. I think it is getting pretty old, so I could see myself decluttering this one. And similar to that, I received this one from a friend. It is the It Cosmetics Brow Power. This is just too pigmented for me, or at least the shade is too dark, and it is very waxy, and it's too smeary in my humble opinion. So yeah, I'm not gonna use this one up. It's just today I'm not even wearing brow pencil, and I have two of my favorite one, the NYX. Why should I keep something like this in my collection? Let's talk about some products that were my taste. I love these, and these are great formulas as well, but right now they are just not for me, and they are very colorful and bright eyeliners. I have two from Makeup Revolution. This formula is 11 out of 10. I have the green and the orange. They are both really great. They are pigmented, they're staying pretty nicely on the waterline. You can create wings with them or cut creases or anything like that, and they are fun shades as well. They have a lot of shades in this range. I do own the black one as well, but that one I'm using pretty often. These two are just, I did use them, but they are too bright. Right now I just don't like very colorful makeup, so I'm not using something like that. And similar to that, the Sephora one, this blue, the retractable one, again, it is a nice shade. It is very pigmented and nice, and again, you can put it on the waterline. It looks great and it wears nicely, but Again, it's a blue, and blue is my least favorite color when it comes to eyeshadows, so again, no point in me having this one. Let's talk about some lip products. I'm talking about these while wearing a brown, very dark brown lip, but I'm not. I love this formula. It is the NYX one, the whipped, smooth whip. Love the formula. It's very comfortable. I really like this one. It's a great formula, but I think I need to buy a neutral shade, nude shade. I'm always saying neutral, but I mean a nude shade for me. When I'm saying neutral, that is what I mean in general. But yeah, brown, yeah, not really for day-to-day use for me. I just like a normal nude. That is what I like, and I have these three. I have way too many brown lip liners, considering that I don't like this kind of lip too often. So today I'm wearing the Too Faced one. It's a great formula. All of these three are great formulas, but I could see myself decluttering these two, the VIEVE one and the Too Faced one, just because they are getting pretty old and I'm not gonna use them. I would like to purchase more nude shade, almost said neutral again. This NYX one is my favorite formula from these three, so because of that I would keep this one. It is the shade Total Baller. The next one is the Makeup Forever lipstick. This one is the Rouge Artist Forever Matte. This one is great. The shade is a bit too dark for me. It is lighter than this one that I'm wearing, but it's just a bit too dark, but it's very matte. I absolutely love this formula. It is a great formula, but in this particular moment, this NYX one, that is a moussey formula, is the driest formula I would wear. This one is just too dry. Again, it's not a fail. This formula is lovely. If you like a matte lipstick, this one is great. It is smooth, it looks nice, the applicator is lovely. Can't recommend it enough. But right now I do like a glossy lip. That is what I want to wear. A nude lipstick that is very comfortable, or a gloss. That is what I like right now. So the Makeup Forever one is too matte and this one is too bright. This is the Rare Beauty Inspire. It is the most beautiful red, the most beautiful classic red out there, but it's too bright. It is what it is. I'm not wearing it. Again, I think I will keep it in my collection, even though it is getting old. So maybe at some point I need to keep maybe one red lipstick in my collection. And I do have one from Nabla that is a very, I don't know, wearable terracotta. This one is just, it is the classic blue toned red. I love it. It's again a great formula as well. It is a moussey formula, but it's too bright for me right now. And lastly, I want to mention glosses actually, but glosses that are way too glittery for me. First of all, we have the Fenty Beauty. This is the Gloss Bomb Crystal, the holographic one. Is the shade Holla'gram. This one, not for me. I really like the formula from Fenty. I had two others. One that was with shimmers as well. Didn't love that one. And then one that was the clear one. That one was lovely. I really liked it. This one that is holographic, no. I'm almost done with it. I think I have just the smallest amount left, so I will use it up. It's not the worst gloss out there, but it doesn't look great on me. It is what it is. I don't like it. I will not repurchase it, and yeah, it's for sure not my favorite. And another one that is very, very glittery, it is the Butter Gloss Bling from NYX. This one I like more than the Fenty one actually, just because of the color. This is the shade Bring the Bling. if you can see, this is very pinky, kind of purpley, cooler toned gloss. This one is very warm gold, and it has some colorful glitters in there, but they are not that visible. So on the lips it looks more warm toned, and that looks better on me. So because of that I do like this one a bit more. But yeah, no, it's too blingy for me, too glittery. I could wear it on top of lipsticks like this, just to put the smallest bit in the middle of my lips. Why not? Let's do that. Actually, let's compare them. That could be fun. They look exactly the same on this dark brown lip. That's crazy. I can't see any difference. Let me show you a bit closer. Do you see any difference? Because I'm not. This is Fenty and this is NYX. I will watch the footage back, but I think they look exactly the same right now. That's funny. Anyway, both of these on top of a darker lip like this, they are okay. I could wear them, but yeah, too blingy for me. I prefer a clear gloss or something with just the smallest a bit of shimmer. And the Fenty one, that's the other thing that I don't like. If I'm wearing it on its own, it looks very ashy. Like I said, cooler toned. With a darker base, apparently it looks pretty nice. So maybe I should do that more often. But going back to the other lipsticks, I don't like a dark lip right now. So yeah, it is what it is. Let's end with some palettes. I have two in here that are just a bit too bright for me. We have the Tropical palette from by Beauty Bay. These shades are stunning. I wore this one yesterday actually for a video, and the look was stunning. I really enjoyed it, but I'm not going out with this one. Not because I just don't feel like myself. That is the strangest feeling, because I used to go out with the craziest looks and I didn't care, but right now I just don't like them. I like something a bit more neutral and more simple. And this one as well, the Girl on the Moon from GlossGods. As you can see, it has the most beautiful shimmers in here, but I think I could wear maybe 2 or 3 from here. The rest are just too bright. So yeah, I just like basic neutral looks right now. It is what it is. Maybe the 30s are calling. I have no idea. I'm kidding. I know that age doesn't matter and nothing matters. If you like something, just wear it and enjoy it and have some fun. But that's what I like right now, something a bit more simple, and because of that these products are just not really for me right now. I will see, maybe I'm gonna declutter some of these, but yeah, we will see in the next declutter. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.